morning, people. Look at this guy with his Hobie. You're cool, bro. Yeah. Huntington Harbor today. Just trying to get some bite, get the lines wet. Low tide, so we'll see if we'll catch something, you know. We got out here late too. Planning to get out here like at 5, but I was like, ooh, it's too cold. Weather sucks. So I was like, you know what? 6 o'clock it is. So right now it's 6:46. So alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Yep, come on. What you got? Yep, star of the hour has arrived. Ah, man, got one. Ooh, not bad, dingy, you know. Whoa, 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 calm down. Ooh, it's flared up. You mad? Why you mad, bro? All right, man. Skunk Buster. I can go home now. Met my quota, no, not quota. Almost. Caught one. Put it on the cameras, man. Nice.